Today's rest ritual is about releasing fear and anxiety. The essential oil of choice is Lavender Essential Oil by doTERRA. Today's theme is about safety, calming the nervous system, and softening fear. Begin by placing 1 drop of lavender into your palms, rubbing your palms together and warming the oil. Bring your hands together towards your nose and take a deep breath in. Inhale deeply. Allow the aroma to gently signal safety to your body. Exhale, release. There is nothing you need to fix right now. Nothing you need to figure out. Allow your eyes to gently close, beginning to notice your breathing without changing it. Simply observe the inhale and the exhale. Now slightly lengthen your exhales. Inhale through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Just following your own count, whether you're inhaling for a count of 4 and exhaling for 6 or longer. Just allow the inhales and exhales to signal safety to your body. Allow those exhales to tell your nervous system you are safe in this moment. Fear is something that often lives in the body before it reaches the mind. So today we meet it gently, without judgment, without force. Bring awareness to your belly. Notice if it feels tight, guarded, or restless, and silently say, "I am safe right now." With each exhale, imagining the belly softening, creating a little more space inside. Bring awareness to your chest and your heart. If there is heaviness, pressure, or fluttering, simply notice. And silently repeat, "I can breathe through this." Now bring your attention to your jaw. So many unspoken fears are held here. Gently unclench your teeth. Let the tongue rest. Let that jaw soften. Finally, noticing your shoulders. Allow them to drop away from your ears and silently saying, "I don't have to carry everything." Now imagine fear as a tight knot somewhere in your body. You don't need to name it, just sense it. With each breath out, Imagine that knot slowly loosening, not disappearing, just softening. Fear does not need to be eliminated to lose its power. It only needs space and kindness. Repeat gently, I meet fear with gentleness. I meet fear with gentleness. I meet fear with gentleness. This breath is enough. This breath is enough. This breath is enough. Now noticing as you inhale, allowing that lavender essential oil to wrap around you like a soft blanket, steady, calming, reassuring. And when you feel ready, begin to notice the space around you, the support beneath you. Take one final slow breath in and a long breath out. Silently saying to yourself, I am safe in this moment. Allow your body to soften further, the jaw to release, the forehead to soften, the shoulders to relax. Allow your body to feel a little bit more grounded, a little more settled. And remembering that with each inhale and exhale, you are able to surrender to the safety of your nervous system. Fear often lives in the body before it reaches the mind. You can meet fear with gentleness. This breath is enough. Slowly wiggling your fingers and your toes, allowing all the time you need to gently awaken your body and flutter your eyes open when they're ready, or allowing yourself to just further rest. Listen to where your body is today.